these mist-covered mountains are a home now for me. But my home is the lowlands, and always will be. Someday you'll return to your valleys and your farms, and you'll no longer burn to be brothers in arms. Through these fields of destruction, baptisms of fire, I've witnessed your suffering as the battle reached high. And though it hurt me so bad, in the fear and alarm, you did not desert me, my brothers in arms. with the skylit draw. Wave goodbye to Ma and Pa, 'cause with the birds of shed, with the birds of shed, it's a lonely view. And with the birds of shed, it's a lonely view. Soft spoken with a broken jaw, step outside but not to brawl. And autumn sweet with